Learn to sketch architectural beauty in all its complexity using nothing but ink on paper. Over the past months, Aaron Limonick has released 2 courses in his new ink sketching series, and the student turnout has been incredible. Now he's back again, this time focusing on buildings, cityscapes, and everything in between. Architecture can be intimidating to sketch because there's just so much going on. Aaron will help you to remove this fear. He'll help you to focus on small but important details like windows and doors. You'll learn to bring personality to any building, drawing the viewer's eye through a scene. And finally, Aaron will cover several cultural styles, helping you to fill your sketchbook with designs from around the world. This course is part of a whole series Aaron is creating. His first course, Ink Sketching Fundamentals, teaches you how to control your tools and utilize each major sketching technique. Then, in his Landscapes course, he shows how to capture the majestic beauty of the natural world, creating epic shots that burst from the page. Finally, with Advanced Techniques, you'll blend everything you've learned throughout the series into cohesive and powerful compositions. Each course includes full materials guides in which Aaron shows you exactly what pens, paper, and ink he recommends. From intimate interiors to epic cityscapes, this course will give you all the tools you need to fill your sketchbook with beautiful architecture. Sign up today and begin your journey at LearnSquare.com.